In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 adventure parks for kids. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Let's start. From Florida to California, these theme parks for kids of all ages offer a range of small-scale rides, nutritious snacks, family conveniences, and high-tech features. Number 1. Legoland California Carlsbad. All of the rides, displays, and attractions at this park an hour north of San Diego are planned for children aged 2 to 12, meaning that your family does not spend money on thrill rides that your children are too young, or too afraid, to ride. Just 2 rides, in reality, require children to be 42 inches tall or taller. Although small LEGO fans can find plenty to occupy their time, such as Duplo Village and the LEGO Movie Experience, which recreates the film's final scene, children who aren't interested in building can enjoy the Volvo Driving School, where drivers aged 3 and up can get a paper license, the Kiddie Dinosaur Coaster, and the Royal Joust, where you ride a wooden horse through a medieval forest. Where to stay? The on-site Legoland Hotel offers themed family rooms with a castle play area in the lobby, character breakfasts, and a rockin' elevator with a disco ball. Hotel guests are able to enter the park 1 hour before the general public. Number 2. Disneyland Park Anaheim, California. You'll get your money's worth with 60 rides and attractions for tourists of all ages, the most of any park in the parent survey. The park is more family-friendly thanks to baby centers, with high chairs and breastfeeding stations, kiosks that make it easier for special needs guests to get the most out of their visit, and produce carts with inventive snacks like mango slices with lime and tahini spice. Where to stay? The Disneyland Hotel offers newly remodeled rooms, a pool with 3 slides and a toddler splash zone, and complimentary early park access. You can also save money by staying at one of the more than a half-dozen non-Disney hotels near the park, such as the Hilton Anaheim and the Best Western Plus Anaheim Inn. Number 3. Magic Kingdom Park Orlando. Though there are more than 3 dozen attractions at Disney's first Florida theme park, the entertainment steals the show. The character parades, fireworks show, electrical water pageant, and street parties, according to Len Testa, co-author of the unofficial guide to Walt Disney World, make the park even more fun for families. A Pirate's Adventure, Treasure of the Seven Seas, a high-tech immersive journey where you open mystical portals to take down Disney villains, is his favorite little-known attraction. He describes the nighttime effects as spectacular. With Fast Pass Plus, which is free, the park has also switched to technology to assist families in minimizing wait times. Rather than picking up these fast line access passes in the park, where certain attractions will be sold out by early afternoon, Disney World now allows you to choose your 3 Fast Pass Plus rides up to 60 days ahead of time for each of its Florida parks. Stay at Disney's Contemporary Resort, which is just a 5-minute monorail ride or a 15-minute walk away. Alternatively, you can save a third of the price by staying at Disney's Pop Century or All-Star Music Resort and taking a 25-minute bus ride to the park. Number 4. Universal's Islands of Adventure Orlando. This park, which is known for its immersive themed areas, brings 2 of the most famous children's book series to life. The whimsical Seuss Landing, which includes 5 rides inspired by Dr. Seuss's classic stories, will thrill toddlers and preschoolers, including a whirling cat in the hat adventure and a spin in the air with 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. Lunch will consist of green eggs and ham, and the kids will receive an autograph from Thing 1 or Thing 2. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade, which transports families to Hogwarts and immerses them in the classic village of Hogsmeade, will captivate school-aged children. Wizards in training can ride the Flight of the Hippogriff family coaster and visit Ollivander's wand store, where they could be selected to take part in a magical wand display reenacting Harry's first wand encounter. Where to stay? At the new Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort, which features themed suites, a lazy river, a bowling alley, and early access to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, book a family suite that sleeps up to 6 people. Number 5. Sesame Place Langhorne, PA. This theme park, about a half-hour drive from Philadelphia, integrates many water activities into its lineup to keep the kids cool on hot days, such as tubing past spraying geysers and creeping through water-spraying mazes. Many kid-friendly details have been considered by Big Bird, Elmo, and the gang, like low sinks in the majority of toilets so that you don't have to raise young children to wash their hands. I love that they have showers available so the boys can shave, change into their pajamas, and fall asleep on the way home, Scopel adds. Don't forget to stop for a photo op on a Sesame Street replica before you go. Where to stay? The Residence Inn by Marriott in Langhorne, just a half-mile from Sesame Spot, offers free shuttle service to the park, a full kitchen, a free buffet breakfast, and a separate sleeping area for the kids. Number 6. Disney's Animal Kingdom Orlando. In the least crowded and low-key of Disney's Orlando offerings, you get a theme park and a zoo experience. The highlight is a 20-minute open-air trip through a 110-acre African wildlife preserve with giraffes, cheetahs, lions, and elephants offered by Kilimanjaro Safaris. Also, check out the Wilderness Explorers program, which allows kids to win up to 30 sticker badges by completing tasks that teach them about the park's wildlife and nature. Aside from the animals, the rides in the Dinoland portion, such as Triceratops Spin and Primeval World, are the best for small children. Where to stay? Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge includes spectacular views of African animals from your room window, as well as a supervised drop-off clubhouse for children aged 3 to 12. Number 7. Hershey Park, Hershey, PA. This delightful haven is one of the few theme parks that offers both kid-friendly attractions and exciting roller coasters. 33 attractions are available for children under the age of 3 feet, and a dozen roller coasters entice thrill-seeking tweens and their parents. Fortunately, Hershey Park, like most parks, provides a swap program, in which one parent rides while the other waits with an infant, and the parents then switch places. Families can cool off in the summer by visiting the shaded walk-through zoo, riding one of the boardwalk's 12 water rides, or visiting the air-conditioned Chocolate Universe, where kids can ride a ride and learn how their favorite candy is made, with a free sample at the end. All 3 are included in the price of admission to the park. Where to stay? The Hershey Lodge, which provides a free shuttle to the park, as well as family events like chocolate bingo and crafts, as well as indoor and outdoor pools and a playground. Alternatively, at Hershey Park Camping Resort, which also has 2 pools, a playground, and outdoor movies, book a 2-bedroom deluxe log cabin for more space. Number 8. Cedar Point Sandusky. Cedar Point, located on the shores of Lake Erie, features 3 parts of rides for young children, a set of animatronic dinosaurs, and special family rides, including one of only 2 carousels with racing horses in the world. Where to stay? The Hotel Breakers is a 2-minute walk from the park and has 3 pools, as well as Peanuts-themed rooms and suites and early park access. Number 9. Storyland Glen, NH. Many of Storyland's 22 rides, various displays, and attractions are themed after fairy tales, making it ideal for children aged 7 and under. Cinderella's Pumpkin Coach, in which families board a giant pumpkin pulled by motorized horses, and the Mad Barn are 2 of the park's most special rides, which gets raised and spun around. Where to stay? The Red Jacket Mountain View Resort is about 6 miles away in North Conway, New Hampshire. An indoor water park, family story time, and a scavenger hunt are among the attractions. Number 10. Six Flags Fiesta Texas San Antonio. In addition to exciting coasters, the park has over 24 rides for children 36 inches and taller, many of which are located in the Kidsopolis area. Yosemite Sam's Wagons, an adorable take on a kid-sized Ferris wheel, is one of the top choices. Where to stay? The Omni San Antonio Hotel at the Colonnade offers a Six Flags package, which includes 4 tickets, a welcome gift for each boy, a free shuttle to the park, and free breakfast. What do you think about our video? Which of the above park you wish to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications before you go. Thanks for watching.